Hey everyone, we will explore into a detailed comparison between two major blockchain platforms, Solana and Ethereum, and how they differ in architecture, tools, smart contract development, and why this difference matter. Here's a quick overview what we will cover. First, we will compare Solana and Ethereum at a high level. Then we will explore how Solana compiles and executes smart contract. Next, we will look at developer tool on both platform. And finally, we will talk about running Solidity on Solana. Yes, that's possible too. One of the Solana's most underrated strength is its accounts model. Unlike Ethereum, where logic and data are often bundled together inside smart contract, Solana separates logic and data across different accounts. This separation is key to enable parallel transaction execution, which we will talk about more in a moment. This diagram will help you to visualize like perfectly. On Ethereum, you typically have contracts that hold both logic and data together, kind of like smart contract magazine. In Solana, logic and data are completely decoupled. Multiple programs can access their data accounts in parallel, allowing much more scalable execution. This design is what powers Solana's high throughput. Let's break down some key technical difference. Account model. Ethereum uses a global state while Solana optimized for local parallel access. Transaction design. Ethereum allow one function call per transaction. Solana allow chaining multiple instructions in a single transaction. Mempool. Ethereum uses a traditional mempool. Solana doesn't. Transactions are sent directly to upcoming leaders. Execution model. Ethereum executes serially. Solana is optimized for parallel multi-pore execution. Compute depth. Ethereum max out at 30 million gas per block. Solana can go up to 48 million compute units. And finally, fees. Both use a fee-based model, but Solana introduces priority fee without needing a mempool. Tuning also differ quite a bit. If you are coming from Ethereum, you are probably familiar with tools like Hardhat, Remix, and Etherscan. Solana have equivalent to you have the Solana Test Validator, Anchor Framework, Solana Playground, and Block Explorer like SolanaFM and X-Ray. Just like Ethereum has scaffolded it, Solana has created Solana Dev template to bootstrap your project fast. Smart contracts on Solana are written in Rust and compiled into BPF5 file, which gets stored in something called a program account. This program account doesn't hold any data, it just holds the executable logic. Where user interact with contract, the BPF loader fetches the code and runs it. This model is lightweight, efficient, and purpose-built for parallelism. NeoVM is Solana's network extension for seamless EVM dApps integration. Tap into Solana's user base and liquidity using your tried and trusted EVM toolkit. No rush required. Start building, explore ecosystem. When developing on Solana, one of the most important things to understand is the account model because it's what enables parallel execution. This means multiple non-overlapping transactions can run at the same time, massively improving throughput. It's very different from Ethereum serial execution model. Let's talk number on Ethereum per transaction and per block compute gaps are 30 million gas. On Solana, per transaction compute is about 1.4 million units, but per block compute can go as high as 48 million units. That's a massive jump in performance and efficiency. Finally, one more key distinction, mempool. Ethereum uses a mempool where transaction wait to be mined. Solana skip this entirely using a leader schedule. This allows for faster transaction propagation. Also, Solana transaction can pick in multiple instructions so you can do more in a single transaction compared to Ethereum. So that's a wrap up. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.